Good morning, everybody. I'm so excited to see you guys today and start our new learning. Um, for starters, this morning we are going to talk about our morning meeting expectations. So every morning we will start off our day with a morning meeting, and the order that it will go in is we will have a greeting where everybody greets each other. We will share, we'll do a group activity, and then I'll share our morning message. So before we get started with that, we're going to talk about the purpose of morning meeting. So one reason that we do morning meeting is so that we can get to know each other. It's a little bit harder because we're not sitting right in front of each other, but we can still get to know each other over Zoom and on Seesaw. We're also going to share different experiences, where we come from, different things that we've been through, different things that we've gotten to see or learn, and share how we all think. We all think differently, and we know that. So morning meeting is a great time to share what we think and how we think. And most importantly, during morning meeting, we're going to learn and have fun together as a group. So here are our expectations for morning meeting. First, we want to make sure that we're always engaged and participating in our morning meeting. We are going to listen respectfully to others. You may not agree with what somebody says, or you may not understand what they're saying or what they're sharing, but it's always important to be respectful. We're going to greet each other respectfully, and what that means is you're not going to say, "Good morning, Johnny." You are going to greet them with a smile on your face and follow whatever direction for greeting I give you. You're going to keep your body in control. That means when we're on the camera, we're not doing this, trying to distract people or going really close up with our face. We're in our seat, we're showing our face on the screen, and we're staying still and quiet while others are talking. If there's a lot of noise going on in the background, you need to make sure that you mute yourself while others are talking, and then when it's your turn to talk, you show me the thumbs up, you unmute yourself. So thumbs up is showing me that you have something to say. You are going to offer thoughtful questions and comments. So whatever question I ask you, you are going to respond thoughtfully and make sure that you are staying on topic. Morning meeting is not the time, unless it's story time or has something to do with the question I've asked, just to say random things. So what does that look like? So I'm going to start off with my greeting, and since you guys aren't here, I'm going to greet all of you. So, hi Joshua, hi Xavier, hi Eli, hi Diego, hi Kenzie, hi Michelle, hi Iker, hi Isla, hi Owen, hi Karen, hi Sophie, hi Niasia, hi Jusneri, hi Zarian, and hi Ray Lynn. I'm so excited to meet you guys, and I can't wait to see your faces. And now we're going to do a share activity. This is in your Seesaw that I'll explain in a minute, but I want to know, what are you most excited about this school year? So as I thought about this question, I realized that I'm most excited to meet my new students. I know I've seen some of you in the hallway and waved to you guys, but I haven't really gotten to meet you. So I can't wait to learn more about you and know what you like, what you don't like, what you're good at, what you need extra help with, all of that. I just can't wait to meet you guys. So since we're not all together, we're going to do a short group activity, and I want to know what you would do if you were actually in the classroom today. So what I would do if I were actually in the classroom is I would give each and every one of you a great big hug. For our morning message this morning, I just want you to think about, how can you help make the world more awesome? You can respond to this on Seesaw if you want to. You can create your own text box and respond, or you can just think about what you can do as a person to help make the world more awesome. So now that you have watched the morning message, you're going to click the add button. You are going to use the creative tools to check in with me this morning, and then click the check button to turn in. Remember to be creative and have fun. So you'll see this on Seesaw, but here is my example. This is where my video will be. Today's Monday. In yours, I ask you, what are you most excited about this school year, and how are you feeling? and then here's your to-do list. You're going to watch the morning meeting video, do your check-in. You're going to, for reading, do the I Can Be a Bucket Filler activity, and for math, you're going to do the math about me, and then we're going to have a writing assignment. Your template looks like this. So first, answer the question of the day, which is, what are you most excited about this school year? You can use any of these tools. You can add a text box. You can take a picture of yourself. How do you feel today? There you're either going to take a photo, put an emoji, or draw a picture of how you feel today. And then here in the share circle, just share with me something that you want me to know about you. And last but not least, here's your morning message to think about. How can you help make the world more awesome? I hope you guys enjoyed our morning meeting today, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. Bye!